Welcome back to Mind Voyage, where we explore the paths to emotional clarity, self-discovery, and personal growth. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of us have faced at one point or another, the friend zone. And more importantly, how to escape it. If you've ever felt stuck in that confusing, often frustrating space, then this video is for you. So, first off, what exactly the friend zone? It's a term that's thrown around a lot, but it can mean different things depending on the situation. At its core, it's about unrequited love. One person wants more, while the other is perfectly content with the way things are. Now, there's nothing inherently wrong with friendship, but when romantic feelings creep in on one side and not the other, that's when things can get complicated. The friend zone often thrives on unspoken feelings and misunderstandings. We might drop hints, hoping the other person will pick up on our true emotions, but true connection requires honesty and vulnerability. Think about it. How many times have you held back from expressing your true feelings for fear of jeopardizing the friendship? Holding on to those unspoken feelings can create a chasm between two people. It's like walking on eggshells, constantly second-guessing yourself. The friend zone can also lead to a lot of what-ifs and resentment. Remember, true love should lift you up, not hold you back. Before you take any action, we need to hit pause. Before you declare your undying love or try to subtly shift the dynamic, we need to turn inward. This chapter is all about you and understanding your own heart. Step 1. Self-reflection. This is about getting real with yourself, digging deep and asking the tough questions. And the most important one is this: do you truly want a romantic relationship with this person? Sometimes our desire for a romantic connection can stem from other places. Loneliness, a fear of being alone, or even just wanting validation can cloud our judgment. So, take some time for yourself. Journal, meditate, go for a walk in nature, whatever helps you connect with your inner voice. Ask yourself, what is it about this person that draws me to them? Is it genuine affection, or am I filling a void in my own life? Trust me, the clarity you gain will be worth it. Chapter 3. Now this is where things get real, my friend. This is where we bridge the gap between unspoken feelings and honest communication. It's about taking that leap of faith and opening up. Because let's face it, hoping they'll magically read your mind and suddenly see you in a different light, well, that's not a strategy, that's a recipe for disappointment. You need to be clear and direct. Step 2, communication is key. It's the foundation of any meaningful relationship. I know. Easier said than done, right? Trust me, I get it. Vulnerability can be scary. It's like exposing a part of yourself that you usually keep hidden, putting your heart on the line, risking rejection. It can feel like standing on the edge of a cliff, ready to jump. But remember, the reward can be worth the risk. But here's the thing, communication is the only way to truly know where you stand. Without it, you're just guessing and hoping. It's about expressing your truth with kindness and respect, while also being open to hearing theirs. It's a two-way street. Now, this doesn't have to be a grand romantic confession. It can be a simple, heartfelt conversation. Start by shifting the energy. Create a positive atmosphere, flirt a little, pay them genuine compliments, let them see you in a new light. Show them the best version of yourself. And when you're ready, choose a time and place where you can talk openly and honestly. Be direct, but compassionate. Make sure it's a comfortable setting for both of you. Let them know that you value their friendship, but that your feelings have developed into something more. Be clear about your intentions. And here's the important part, be prepared for their response. It might not be what you expect. They might feel the same way, which is wonderful. It could be the start of something beautiful, but they might also need time to process, or they might not reciprocate your feelings. Give them the space they need. The important thing is that you were honest with yourself and with them. That's the true victory. Chapter 4. This is where the real work begins. It's a journey of introspection and understanding because regardless of their response, it's time to take a step back and reevaluate the friendship. Reflect on what this relationship means to you. Step 3. Reevaluate the friendship. Consider the depth and nature of your connection. If they reciprocate your feelings, that's fantastic. It opens up new possibilities. But it also means navigating a shift in the dynamic of your relationship. This transition requires patience and understanding. It takes work to transition from friendship to romance, to build a foundation of trust and intimacy on a whole new level. This foundation is crucial for a lasting relationship. But what if they don't feel the same way? This is a challenging scenario. What if they value the friendship and want to keep things as they are? This can be a delicate situation. This is where things can get tricky. Balancing your feelings with the desire to maintain the friendship is not easy, because staying friends when your feelings are unrequited, it's a tough path to navigate. Well, that takes a special kind of strength. It requires emotional resilience and self-awareness. You might need to create some distance, at least for a while. This space can help you gain perspective. Allow yourself time to heal, to process your emotions, and to figure out what you need to move forward. Self-care is essential during this period. And this is important. Don't beat yourself up for feeling hurt or disappointed. These feelings are natural. It's okay to grieve the relationship you hoped for. Acknowledge your emotions. Remember, true friendship is about mutual respect and support. Cherish the bond you share. Chapter 5. This, my friend, is about reclaiming your power, about stepping into your own strength, embracing your inner resilience, and recognizing that your worth is not defined by someone else's feelings for you. It's about understanding your intrinsic value. Step 4. Moving on with grace. This is about letting go of the expectations, the what-ifs, the could-have-beens. It's about finding peace in the present moment. It's about releasing the energy you've invested in this one-sided dynamic and redirecting it towards your own growth and happiness. Focus on yourself. What brings you joy? What makes your heart sing? What are you passionate about? What activities make you lose track of time? Dive headfirst into those things. Reconnect with old friends, pursue new hobbies, travel, explore, create. Embrace the adventure of life. This is your time to shine, to rediscover who you are outside of the context of this friendship. Embrace your independence, your strength, your resilience. And here's the beautiful thing about moving on. It creates space for new possibilities. New doors open when old ones close. When we cling to the past, to what could have been, we close ourselves off to the amazing opportunities that await us. The future holds so much promise. So, open your heart to new connections, to people who appreciate you for the incredible person you are. Surround yourself with positivity. Remember, you deserve to be with someone who chooses you, who sees you, who loves you without reservation. You are worthy of unconditional love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Mind Voyage for more videos on relationships, personal growth, and everything that helps you live your best life. Until next time, keep exploring the journey within. If you find this video interesting, then remember to like, comment, and subscribe for amazing videos like this. Bye.